Today we'd like to share with you smoked prawns recipe, which is very simple to make but super delicious. Okay, let's get started. The next step is prepare our smoking chips. This time we're gonna use apple wood chips. Also, you can get chips in different flavors like oak or cherry. It's totally up to you and it's up to your taste. Let's make a spice mix. In a small bowl, combine bay leaf, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Sprinkle the seasoning, blend equally on both sides of the prawns. Place the prawns on the barbecue rack, like that. I forgot to mention you, today we're using 8 Jumbo King cleaned prawns. Once everything ready, let's put our soaked wood chips onto the charcoal. Let's start the smoking process to begin. While our prawns is cooking, let's make some lemon butter mixture for brushing. Combine 75 grams of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and half a teaspoon of dried parsley. Set aside. The total cooking time for the prawns is about 25 to 30 minutes depending on your barbecue temperature. Brushing with the lemon butter mixture every 5-10 minutes is recommended. After about 30 minutes, prawns is finally done. Voila! Just look at this. What a smell. Can't wait to taste it. Looks yummy. I hope you will enjoy this recipe too. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and easy to make recipes. Have a nice camping, guys. See you later.